Okay, I'm going to show you how to get a advanced saved search for a grade level email addresses for a particular grade level. So I'm going to go to a new advanced search. I'm under the people tab, so student info people. Click on new advanced search, and I want your 9th graders. So I'm going to change this to 9th grade. And then I'm going to say I want their first name. I'm going to search for that. There it is. I'm going to use this single arrow to add it to my menu. I want their last name. I'm going to choose the last name and move it over. And I want their email address. And I'm going to choose email address 1 and send it over. And then I'm going to save it as a new search, and I'm going to call it 9th grade email addresses, and click OK. And now I can run that search. Here's all your 9th graders. Here's their email address. So you can come here and select the email addresses. First, you have to export them to Excel. Here's my Excel sheet. Bring it up. Here's my Excel sheet. So now I can come in here and copy all these email addresses. Command copy, and then go paste them in your email. And that's how you can email all your 9th graders at one time.